You've incorporated your business and you prepared your first agreement. And now you're ready to hire your first employee. You know, they say that the value of your company is all based in the value of the people that you hire. So what do you do in order to hire them? People just want to do a handshake agreement and bring people on board, but that's not the process. You really need to set your employment practices, process, and procedure. First thing you'll need is an employment agreement, tailor-made for your business and to really understand and protect your business interests, whether it be your IP, your trade secrets, to prevent non-competes, or just to understand what their obligations are to your company. Number two, you're going to need policies and procedures in place. And what does that really mean? You're going to need a handbook that really sets forth what is your paid time off, what is your holiday time, what is your bereavement time. The reason for your policies and procedures is to really protect your business in the worst case scenario, in the event that there is a lawsuit from an employee against you as an employer later, because you'll be stating that as a defense, this was your policy and procedure in place at the time, and it's been consistent. Number three, you're really going to need to understand what the difference between an exempt versus a non-exempt employee is. At a very high level, an exempt employee is one that will be exempt from the overtime payment laws and FLSA. And a non-exempt employee would be one that's not exempt from the overtime hours, and you're going to have to pay them time and a half over 40 hours. Also, you're going to have to understand that if they're an hourly employee, you're going to have to pay them at least bi-weekly, whereas if you are a salaried employee, you're going to have to pay them at least semi-monthly. Next, you're going to need workers' compensation insurance, and if you're in New York, you're going to need statutory disability insurance through NYSEF, New York State Insurance Fund. Once you decide that you want to hire your first employee, you really need to speak to a lawyer to really understand your scope and directions and to protect your business interests.